Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making breakfast grilled cheese sandwiches. Alright, I'm starting out in my electric skillet, and I have some bacon grease here. I've made some bacon burner sandwiches. I'm going to put a little bit of bacon grease in the skillet. We're going to fry up some eggs. And I'm just going to spread this around in here. Alright, now I'm going to do 1 egg per sandwich, and I'm doing 5 sandwiches. So I'm going to get my eggs in here and get them scrambled. Once I get my eggs all scrambled, then we'll move on to the next step. And I'm just putting plain eggs in here. I'm not putting any salt or pepper or milk or anything into them. So I'm going to go ahead and get all my eggs in here, get them scrambled, and when I get to the next step, I'll bring it back. Alright, now that my eggs are all fried up, I have some bread here. I was going to use a nice multi-grain bread, but it's that too long, got molded, so I'm just using white bread. And I buttered one side of the bread. Now, you know how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. You know you butter the bread. And I'm using my large skillet. I'm doing 5 sandwiches, 1 for each of us, so I'm going to do them all at one shot. Now that I have them in there, I'm going to take a slice of Colby Jack cheese. And you can use whatever type of cheese you like. It doesn't have to be Colby Jack. And I'm going to put a slice of cheese on each one. And you just want to line them all up. It's not rocket science. Hey guys, if you're interested in this electric skillet, I got it on QVC for like $49. It's ultra non-stick, really nice. I'm not selling it for QVC, I'm just making a suggestion. I really love it. Now I'm going to take my eggs. You see how I'm all pre-cooked ahead of time to save some time. And I'm going to get an egg on each sandwich. Alright. Now I'm going to put 2 slices of bacon on each sandwich. You could also use breakfast sausage. The patties, they would go great on this. Or even ham. So I'm just going to bacon on each one, and I went ahead and I made my bacon ahead of time and had a hair drainer on paper towel. Makes it easier that way, guys. And you want to keep your heat fairly low. You don't want your sandwiches to burn before the cheese melts all through them. And I'll be showing give Holly this sandwich over here because she likes her bacon a little crispier. Alright, now I'm going to take another slice of cheese, and this is going to be the glue that's going to help hold our sandwiches together. And I'm going to do the top of it with some cheese. Really easy, really delicious, really fast. That's the way I like it when I worked all day. So I'm going to get my cheese on all of these. Alright, I'm going to take the top slices of my bread and finish the sandwiches with the butter side up. Now let me check this to see how we're doing here. Move this guy over. Yeah, that's ready to flip. See how beautiful that looks? You just want to fry the other side so your golden brown and your cheese is melted. So I'm going to go ahead and get these all grilled up. It looks like these ones at the end can go a little longer. Once I have them all golden brown, I'll plate one up and I'll bring it back. I just went ahead and made some tater tots to go with this. Let me get in here and give this sandwich a try. Now you can put some mayonnaise in here, hollandaise sauce, whatever you like. I'm just going to eat it as is. Nice crunch. You taste that delicious egg. It's cheesy. You get that bacon. That's really delicious, and it wasn't hard at all, guys. Alright, there you have it. Breakfast grilled cheese sandwiches. Thanks for watching. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.